Hey, Mike Healy here, and I have a new video for you, and it's about how to create an automated lead generation funnel. Now, it might sound like a lot of fancy words right there, but really what I want to do is show you how I figured out how to automate recruiting and giving presentations and building rapport with people and making contacts and generating leads. And it took a while to figure this stuff out, but I'm going to give you kind of a Cliff Notes version. And if you take what I show you in here and start to apply it, create some of these things, I believe that you're going to have some much faster success rate in whatever you happen to be doing, whether it's direct selling, networking, sales in general, and so on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to my PowerPoint, and we're going to go through this. Okay, so anyhow, the name I obviously called the automated lead generation funnel. I want to talk to you quickly about what we're going to cover. One is automating the lead generation process. I have a thing that I cover in here called the Moneyball Growth Formula. I have a 5-step funnel system I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the case study of that funnel system and basically what I call how to legally print money, okay?
Welcome to MLMRC.COM. If you're currently doing a network marketing business and you're trying to build a downline, then you've come to the right place. We match up real people seeking home business opportunities with real network marketers like you. We've helped hundreds of network marketers just like you to quickly build their downlines. Now let us help you. We have many registered prospects who are ready to join the right network marketing opportunity like yours. So our goal is to help you build your downline fast, regardless of which network marketing company you're with. Our fully automated recruiting system works with any network marketing company, such as Amway, Herbalife, Mary Kay, Avon, Nu Skin, or any MLM company in which you need to recruit and build a downline. Our automated recruiting system will do all the hard work of finding quality new members to join your downline. Our system will work around the clock to build your downline for you. All you do is sit back, relax, and watch your downline grow. Now we can help you to build your downline fast, easy, and achieve the success you want. On this page, you'll discover how we can help you to immediately add dozens of new members to your team. So take a few minutes to review the information on this page, and let's work together to get you all the downline members you want in the next few weeks. Thank you.